Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, so thought of the week. Look at yourself as a color. You may not be everybody's favorite, but one day you will meet someone who needs you to complete their picture. In the last period, we have seen what are opposite numbers. You know that opposite numbers lie on opposite side of the origin. Opposite numbers lie at equal distance from origin but in opposite direction. And we have also seen the sum of two opposite numbers is always 0. Now let's continue in the third chapter, that is integers. Next topic is comparing integers. For this, I have shown here one number line. On the number line, the number which is on the right hand side is greater than the number which is on the left hand side. So students, I have shown here number lines with integers, means origin, that is 0, all positive numbers to the right of the origin and all negative numbers to the left of the origin. Therefore, I repeat, on the number line, the number which is on the right hand side is greater than the number which is on the left hand side. So we can say that 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4. So we say that all positive numbers are greater than 0. And if you see to the left hand side, then minus 3 is greater than minus 4, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, and 0 is greater than minus 1. Therefore, we can say all negative numbers are always less than 0. Some examples, for example, plus 5 is greater than plus 2, minus 1 is greater than minus 4. Second point, negative numbers are less than 0. For example, minus 3 is less than 0. Every number is greater than the number on its immediate left by 1. For example, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Students, here if you look very carefully to this number line, then you can say that, here we can say that 2 is greater than 1. If I ask you what is the difference between 2 and 1, you have to subtract 1 from 2, therefore 2 minus 1 gives you 1, and therefore every number to the left, to the right side is always greater than the number which is to the immediate left by 1. So minus 2 is greater than minus 3, and if you consider the difference between 2, the difference is 1. If we add 1 to any number on the number line, we get the next number on the right. For example, minus 3 plus 1. Here both the numbers are having different sign, therefore ignore the sign. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger one, that is 3 minus 1 gives you 2, and you have to give the sign of the greater number, therefore your answer is minus 2. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So student, for this number line, if you add 1 to 0, you will get the next immediate bigger number, that is 1. If you add 1 to 1, 1 plus 1, 2, next immediate greater number. 2 plus 1 gives you 3, next immediate greater number, and so on. Now, if you look to the above number line, it is clearly seen that minus 4 is less than minus 3, minus 3 is less than minus 2, minus 2 is less than minus 1, and minus 1 is less than 0. This shows that all negative numbers are always less than 0. 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5. So student, we can say that when you start coming near to the origin from left hand side, the numbers the value of the number increases, and as you move away from origin to the right hand side, the value of the number increases, because 5 is greater than 4, 3, 2, 1 and also 0. Now let us compare positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. For example, 4 and minus 3. 4 is positive number and minus 3 is a negative number. And you know that as 4 is a positive number which is to the right hand side of the origin, so 4 is greater than minus 3. If you compare both two positive numbers, that is 4 and 3, 4 is to the right of 3 and therefore it is again bigger than 3. If you compare 0 and minus 1, 0 is to the right of minus 1 and therefore it is a greater number. Minus 2 and minus 3, of course minus 2 is greater than minus 3. And if you compare minus 12 and 7, then minus 12 is to the left as it is a negative number and therefore 7 is a greater number. So student, practice set 7. Write proper sign less than, equal to or greater than in the blanks below. First one, minus 4 and 5. Here 5 is positive and minus 4 is negative, that is therefore naturally 5 is bigger number. 8 and minus 10. 10 is negative number and 8 is a positive number, therefore 8 is a bigger number. Plus 9 and plus 9. Both are having same sign and therefore they are equal to each other. Minus 6 and 0. 0 is to the right of minus 6 and therefore it is a bigger number. 7 and 4. 7 is to the right of 4 and therefore 7 is a bigger number. 3 and 0. Naturally 3 is a bigger number. Minus 7 and plus 7. Now these two are opposite numbers because they are at equal distance from 0, but they are on the opposite direction and therefore naturally plus 7 is greater than minus 7. Minus 12 and 5. Minus 12 is a negative number which is also less than 0 and therefore 5 is a bigger number. Minus 2 and minus 8. Naturally, minus 2 is very close to origin as compared to minus 8 and therefore it is a bigger number. Minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 is a bigger number. 6 and minus 3. 6 is a bigger number. Minus 14 and minus 14. Both these numbers lie at the same distance from the origin and also to the left hand side of the origin at the same place and therefore they are equal to each other. Students, you have to write the given matter from all the slides in your copy. Solve the practice set 7 in your copy. Complete your work on time. See you in the next period. Have a good day ahead.